Want to make a turtleneck shirt? Keep watching! Let's talk about the pattern. Go to my website dressdeveloper.de and then navigate to the pattern kits. I will put a direct link to that below. I will not change much settings here, just follow me along. Basic form we leave at shirt. I will not enter any length in the model length field, so the shirt will just hit above the hips. If you want your shirt to be more loosely fitted, you can change the fitting class here. I will leave it to 2. At the neckline, I said I want a turtleneck, so I will need to decrease the width of a neckline. So I set the side neckline to 1 centimeter, back neckline to 1, and the front neckline I will change to 0. Okay. When I need to change the neckband width, I will change it to 14 centimeter and set the stretch factor of the band to 0. This neckband will sit quite tight at the neck. We don't want it to be any tighter. I usually like to have a bustard even in my knitted shirts, but if you have a quite small bust, you can safely change that to no bustard, but I stay with bustard. The sleeves. For the sleeves, I change this to sleeve with cuff, and then I change the fitting to a small fit. I decrease the addition to the waist, and the rest I think I can leave. For the last step, you need to select a size. Just select, I will just select one, size 44 here, but you can also upload your own measure set. This is a topic for another video, but you can set your own individual measurements here. Okay, we are done now. I can click on Create Pattern. And then I get 2 links, the first one for the pattern, the second for a preview, additional informations and a cover. And let me show you what you get when you download these files. This looks like this. This is the file you get. Oh, it's dusty. Okay, this is the file you get from the second link. You have a cover here. Note that the turtleneck is not displayed in its full width here, but you can see the cuffs and you see the number of the settings. You can always come back to your settings when entering this number. Then you get some informations about your measurements, all the options you did, and an overview over your pattern parts. The third page is a preview of your printing layout. You have the pattern pieces here, the front, the back, the sleeve, turtleneck band, and the cuffs. And you see here there are some empty pages. When printing, you can skip these pages, of course. And then you have pattern pieces, which we now need to cut out and assemble. I use a pin to transfer the marking of the bust point to the other side. First, I sew the bust darts. Then I sew the cuffs and collar into tubes. I fold them in half and mark each quarter. Time to close the shoulder seams. I use an overlocker for assembly. If you don't have one, a zigzag stitch will do just fine. Then I will set in the collar. I mark the quarters on the neckline and match these up. I like presetting the sleeves before the side seams are closed. The bodice lies flat in front of me while I line up all the notches. The fabric between the notches gets carefully distributed. I try not to stretch the fabric, the sleeve fits fine. While sewing, I often stop and reposition the fabric so everything lies flat. Sleeves and side seam are sewn in one go. Then the cuffs get sewn in like the collar. Last step is the hem. I'm using a plain zigzag stitch here. The excess is then trimmed away. And the shirt is done.